Okay, guys, this is going to be probably part 2 of day 33 and also day 34. I got a call when I was recording day 33, so I only got like 8 minutes and so but yeah. Basically what I was saying is I think I was leaving off where I was saying that this kind of go around, this effort that I'm taking this time around, I'm kind of having the mentality of, if last time you were kind of isolating, this time don't isolate. If last time you weren't talking about how you were feeling, then this time you do. If last time this, that, you know what I mean? Kind of that kind of thing, because because I want to succeed. I really want to succeed, and I do think that this time is different, but I think it's different because I'm also doing things differently in every aspect. It's not just, that I'm eating differently or whatever. It's I'm thinking, I'm just doing little things that are different, than maybe just previous times. So that's kind of what I was saying in day 33. I don't know if I went through how my day went, like day to day, but I don't remember as I'm recording this, as it's more than an hour and a half since I recorded that first part. But yeah, basically that. It's just day 33 was a long day. A little bit challenging in terms of I was really tired most of the day. But I wasn't feeling, in a bad mood or bad attitude, despite all of the kind of things that I had to do that maybe I didn't want to do. So that was day 33. Day 34, Monday, November 25th. Good day. Good day despite just being so busy. That was also part of the reason why day 33 was kind of a drag, was that I knew that the next day, Monday, was just going to be terribly busy, and kind of it's Thanksgiving week, so you kind of like, your mind is like, okay, you're going to have a little bit of a respite, you know what I mean? You're going to have like a little bit of rest, and your body and your mind kind of wants to check out. So I had like 3 back-to-back meetings Monday. Then I found out that a colleague, he resigned, but low-key got fired. And so that was disheartening, but to be expected, to be honest. And then, just also took some time in the afternoon whenever I had a spare moment, to decompress a little bit, and then worked for a couple hours, then got some church stuff done, and then decompressed a little bit, and then got ready for my salsa class. Had my salsa class. It was a good class. This last step that they taught us in level 1 is always the most difficult for me, just because I feel like my size makes it so, but it is what it is. So I'm thinking I'm going to take level 1 again. This will be my 3rd time. So for the 3rd month, this is in a row. But I'm also going to take 1.5. And I think it's a great time to take 1.5 because we don't have Wednesday services, and 1.5 is on Wednesday in December. It's only 3 classes because it's December, but it's going to be good to be even more challenged. And it's going to be fun because, December, I feel like I'm going to be entering in that kind of uncharted territory in terms of weight that I haven't been since probably in my sophomore year of high school. Junior year of high school. So that's going to be a good little moment. This guy low-key feels like a cop behind me. So yeah, feeling good. I've already had 4 out of my 5 shakes just because I felt like today was a busy work day. Who is this guy? my butt the whole time. And then he just cut me off for no reason. So, the things you have to deal with living in a city. And so, so I took 4 of my 5 shakes today because I feel like I didn't want to push it by only having 3. This guy freaking brake shaked me. For what reason? For what reason did this guy brake shake me? What was the actual reasoning? Anyways, and so I'm low-key, I'm trying not to get mad while I'm recording this, but this guy is like something else, man. And let's see if he cuts off this guy. Doesn't. I'm trying to understand. I never even cut this guy off. But dang, I'm losing my train of thought. Yeah, I just didn't want to push it. I'm still debating if I'm gonna have my 5th shake. Probably will, but I'm just debating. And so overall, good day 34. I don't know if I mentioned this in day 33, but 34 days. It's felt like a long time, but also a short time at the same time. And so, the pros of that is that it's building up that, delaying of gratification that I've been trying to work up in myself. You know what I mean? Going through a process and enjoying the suffering, finding joy in the process and, all that stuff. At the same time, that's the pro of it feeling like a long time. And then the pro of it feeling like a short time is that you feel like, you can make it, And it also helps that I'm seeing great progress. And I don't know if I said this already in day 33, but I remember saying it, but maybe not recording it, was that tomorrow is weigh-in. So day 35 is weigh-in. And where's that truck at? And so day 35 is weigh-in, and I'm feeling like last week I had said, from a 6 to 7.5 pounds, I think. If I, got into that range, that was a good week, and then I lost. Was it 8.4 or was it 7.7? So either way, I feel like it was a good week. This week, I really feel like my new metric is 7 to 9. So anywhere from 7 to 9 pounds loss would be a good week for me. Now, granted, I'm hoping for more. It was 7.4. Yeah, it was 7.4. So for me, anything from 7 to 9 is a good week. And I do think it should be, from a logic standpoint, I feel like it should be 7, at least 7.5, at least. Especially since I only went to the gym once, besides my salsa class and just general, having to help around the house and things like that. And, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like, even though I wasn't going to the gym every day, like I thought I would, it just turned out to be a very busy week. I do feel like I exerted a lot of energy. And that I do feel like this last week it took a lot of energy for me to stay afloat. You know what I mean? So, we'll see. Tomorrow weigh in. And I'm going to try to drink, I'm trying to try to drink some water because I do need to use the restroom today. Because I don't think I used the restroom, like had a bowel movement. I don't think I had one yesterday. So I'm trying to have at least once a day. But yeah, man, day 34 in the books. Échale ganas, guys. And I think now I just have to remember to put my phone and do not disturb while I'm recording, so that a call doesn't stop the recording. I don't know why a call would stop the recording if I haven't answered it, but it is what it is. All right, guys.